Welcome to the future. This is your contact form here, and if you follow the instructions right here, and you'll definitely want to read the overview as well, but you follow the basic and the advanced content right here, and you will end up with something like this. And once again, this is not a beautiful, stunning user experience. That's going to be up to you to do. I just want to show you the basic functionality here. And so if you look at the requirements in the assignment, the first name and the last name have to have at least one X and or a Z. So if I try to do my name Jeff, I get an error message over here that says it has to be at least 5 letters long and it must contain an X or a Z. So I'll go with Jeff Z there. And then I start to type in my last name and I get a similar issue. And these rules are all spelled out in the instructions, but if I don't have the X there, there's a problem. And the X can be anywhere in the name, right? As long as I have enough letters and the right X or Z. And the robot name, those are your options there. And again, it's all spelled out in the instructions here. And so just think of the style of Star Wars. BB-8 is a valid style, C-3PO is a valid style, and R2-D2 is a valid style. However, all three of those names are off limits, which you'll have to build in. So if I try to do R2-D2, it tells me that's already taken. If I try to do BB-8, same thing, and the same thing would happen with C-3PO. So I'm going to do BB-9, and then the ship name, again, in the instructions, has to be a word followed by a Roman numeral from 1 through 10. So I can do the Stony Roman numeral 9 or 1. If I try to do like 11, it will give me an error. And then, so we'll go with 10. And then the planet name. The planet name, there's no restrictions other than it has to be only letters. And so I can call it Beavis. And notice the moment I got to the 5th letter of Beavis there, the apply becomes available, then it disappears if I don't have enough letters. Also, the planets of our solar system are off limits. So if I type Pluto, I get an error that says Pluto is invalid, and the apply does not ungray out yet. So I can try Venus, have the same problem. Mars, Jupiter, none of those will work. But if I put Jupiter X or something, whatever, that'll work. And now the apply button is available. And if none of these are proper, so I'll put an X here on the robot, that's an invalid format. The error message pops up and the button grays out again. But if they're all valid, and then I click apply, and I get a message here that is in black text. I meant to change that. I'm not going to bother for the video though. That's white text there, but it should be black text, obviously. Application is complete. Welcome aboard, Space Traveler Jeff Z Stone X. Your robot BB-9 will be on board your spacecraft Stony X to take you to planet Jupiter X first thing tomorrow morning. And that is the assignment.